The Tasigok humidifier offers a blend of cool and warm mist to maintain ideal air moisture levels for a comfortable living space. With a spacious tank and extended runtime, it provides continuous hydration for large rooms. Its ultrasonic technology ensures quiet operation, making it perfect for nurseries and offices. Featuring a 360-degree rotating nozzle and multiple mist settings, it adapts to different needs. The top-fill design allows for easy refilling and cleaning, while the built-in essential oil diffuser enhances relaxation. Equipped with auto shutoff for safety, this humidifier is a reliable choice for home comfort. The Floya air purifier is a compact yet powerful solution for cleaner, fresher air in your home, office, or dorm. Designed with a 360-degree air inlet and a 3-stage filtration, it effectively removes pet dander, dust, pollen, smoke, and odors, helping to relieve allergy symptoms. Its portable size makes it easy to place on desks, nightstands, or tables, while the 7-color light feature adds a cozy touch to any space. The aromatherapy function enhances your environment with a soothing fragrance. With quiet operation and a sleep mode for undisturbed rest, the air purifier combines efficiency with relaxation for a healthier living space. The Mont Space Heater, designed to provide comfort in any season. This versatile heater offers 2 heating modes, plus a fan mode, so you can adjust the temperature of your space as needed. The ECO mode automatically adjusts to maintain the ideal temperature while conserving energy. For added peace of mind, the built-in safety system ensures the heater shuts down if it overheats or is tipped over. Enjoy quiet, fast heating with a noise level under 35 decibels, perfect for bedrooms and offices. The user-friendly LED display makes it easy to control your comfort. Enhance your space with this elegant wax melt warmer, crafted from handmade art glass for a stylish touch. It melts scented wax efficiently with advanced heating technology, ensuring a flameless and safe experience. An LED light offers a mesmerizing color-changing display or can be set to a single hue, doubling as a nightlight. Designed for easy cleaning, it features a removable silicone dish for effortless wax replacement. Simple to operate with a one-touch switch, this warmer creates a cozy ambiance, making it a perfect addition to any home or a thoughtful gift. Illuminate your art with this versatile picture light, designed for easy installation and stylish illumination. With adjustable color temperatures, you can create the perfect lighting for your paintings, wall art, or posters. The light bar is ensuring focused light exactly where you need it. Use the remote control to customize the brightness and set a timer for energy-efficient operation. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this light provides long-lasting use and includes a tracked battery life. No drilling needed for installation, making it an easy and portable solution for your home decor. The 3K security camera, indoor by Camstro, ensures high-definition surveillance with full room coverage. It delivers crystal-clear footage with smart motion tracking and night vision for round-the-clock monitoring. Built-in two-way audio allows real-time communication, and multiple users can access the feed via the Cloud Edge app. Supporting dual-band Wi-Fi, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google. With flexible storage options and advanced encryption, your security and privacy remain protected. Transform your kitchen or living space with this versatile baker rack, featuring a built-in power outlet. Equipped with a UL-certified power strip and 3 AC outlets, it allows safe and easy access to power for your appliances. With 10 shelves, a basket, and 14 hooks, it offers ample storage for small items like your microwave, coffee maker, and spices. Made with a durable metal frame and wooden panels, this rack ensures long-lasting use. The adjustable feet and anti-tip device guarantee stability on uneven. Perfect as a coffee bar, plant stand, or kitchen storage solution, this rack complements any decor. Easy assembly with clear instructions and a helpful video. The Cozy Sherpa Accent Chair by Miss Coos, designed for ultimate comfort and style. Upholstered in soft Sherpa fabric, this chair provides warmth and invites relaxation in any room. With a 108-degree reclined ergonomic design, it offers excellent back support, perfect for reading or unwinding. The chair features a detachable and washable cover for easy maintenance, while its solid wood frame ensures durability and stability, supporting up to pounds. Enjoy the comfort of a high-density foam seat and backrest, and assemble it effortlessly with included instructions. A perfect addition to your living room or bedroom. The Gronovex collapsible multi-use foldable sink tub is a versatile and space-saving solution for your kitchen, camping, or laundry needs. Made from durable PP plus TPR, this collapsible wash basin is perfect for cleaning, foot soaking, and more. It expands to a generous size, but folds down to save a significant amount of space. Easy to clean with a waterproof design, it features 2 sturdy handles for comfortable carrying. Whether at home or on the go, this portable sink provides practical and hygienic convenience. The Vibavo floating bookshelves set of 2 offers a sleek and space-saving solution for organizing your books and decor. Featuring a modern wall-mounted design, these shelves are crafted from natural wood and sturdy metal brackets, ensuring durability and style. Allow you to maximize storage without taking up floor space, perfect for any room. With a customizable display, you can arrange your books and items both above and below for a unique look. Easy to install with included hardware, these shelves provide an elegant and efficient way to display your favorite pieces. Sun Air Mattress offers a comfortable and convenient sleep solution for home, guests, and travel. Designed with a built-in pump, it deflates quickly, ensuring hassle-free setup. The internal coil beam construction provides strong support, maintaining stability throughout the night. Its soft, flocked top enhances comfort. The puncture-resistant material ensures long-lasting durability. The non-slip bottom adds extra stability, making it a reliable choice for any setting. Whether for camping or accommodating guests, this air mattress delivers comfort and ease in one portable design. The Blonbar Sunrise Alarm Clock combines functionality and modern design, making it a perfect bedside companion. Featuring a built-in wireless charger, it conveniently powers up compatible devices while serving as a touch-controlled desk lamp. The dimmable wake-up light gradually brightens to mimic sunrise, creating a gentle morning routine. With 10 soothing nature sounds and a customizable countdown timer, it enhances relaxation and sleep quality. The dual alarm clock allows personalized wake-up settings, and the adjustable LED display ensures comfortable brightness levels. Ideal for bedrooms and living spaces, this multifunctional lamp brings efficiency and style to your daily routine. The Felix bathroom sink faucet offers both functionality and elegance with its brushed nickel finish and pull-out sprayer. Designed for 3-hole, 4-inch center-set sinks, features dual handles for precise temperature control and a 360-degree swivel spout for added convenience. The stretchable sprayer provides flexible water flow, while 2 modes, stream and spray, ensure a splash-free experience. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this deck-mounted faucet practicality and style. A pop-up drain assembly with overflow is included, making installation seamless. The Kichimpro HSAFSA shower chair is designed for stability and comfort, making it a reliable choice for elderly and disabled individuals. With a sturdy aluminum frame and a tilt-angle design, it offers enhanced safety during use. The installation process is quick and simple, requiring no additional tools. The chair features adjustable height settings, allowing for a customized fit. Removable armrests and back support provide added flexibility, while the anti-slip rubber feet and soft EVA seat cushions enhance security and comfort in wet environments. This shower chair is built for durability, ensuring a safer and more convenient bathing experience. The Spring Lift musical rotating Christmas tree stand adds a festive touch to holiday decor, with smooth rotation and built-in music playback. Designed for artificial trees, to a phone for music selection, creating a lively atmosphere. The stand fits various tree pole sizes and offers remote-controlled rotation for a full 360-degree view. Built-in outlets provide easy lighting setup, eliminating tangled cords. Crafted from sturdy ABS material, it ensures stability and durability, making it a reliable base for seasonal celebrations. The Utensils Electric Spin Scrubber is your ultimate cleaning companion. With multiple interchangeable brush heads, it handles everything from bathtubs and tiles to your car and kitchen. Design lets you use it safely in wet environments, and the ergonomic handle extends to different lengths, eliminating the need to bend or kneel. Enjoy cordless cleaning for an extended time with the built-in rechargeable battery. Plus, it includes specialized hard-to-reach gaps. With adjustable speeds and fast charging, it's the perfect tool for deep or everyday cleaning. Say goodbye to scrubbing stress. The Nishiger G3 Travel Steamer offers a lightweight and compact design, making it an ideal companion for both home and travel. With a quick heat-up time, it efficiently removes wrinkles while keeping clothes dry. Its user-friendly one-button control and long power cord hassle-free steaming. Designed for versatility, it works at any angle for hanging or flat ironing. The package includes a flannel storage bag for easy portability. Perfect for refreshing garments on the go, this steamer is a convenient solution for maintaining a crisp polish. The Hobest Look Bean Bag Chair combines comfort and convenience, making it a perfect addition to any playroom, bedroom, or lounge space. Filled with high-density memory foam, it support while maintaining a soft and cozy feel. The removable machine-washable cover ensures easy cleaning, and the built-in handle allows effortless portability. A side pocket offers a handy spot for small essentials. Designed for relaxation, gaming, or reading, this beanbag chair quickly expands upon unpacking and maintains its shape with a simple fluff-up. Ideal for creating a cozy, stylish seating area in any home. Transform your bathroom with the Ehoria 2-in-1 Quadrate Dispenser, designed for convenience and style. This wall-mounted soap and shampoo dispenser features a sleek white marble pattern, adding a touch of shower or bath. The non-drilled installation makes it simple to mount using adhesive or screws, while the T-bar lever allows for easy, one-handed dispensing of body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. With a large refillable bottle and transparent window to monitor liquid levels, it's perfect for reducing clutter and waste. Ideal for homes, hotels, and public spaces, this sturdy, easy-to-clean dispenser keeps your bathroom organized and functional. The Vasicle Slim Bathroom Storage Cabinet is a stylish and practical solution for maximizing space in compact bathrooms. Designed to fit neatly next to the toilet, it features smooth sliding doors, adjustable shelves, and dedicated compartments for toiletry. The raised edges prevent items from falling, while the quiet door bumpers ensure a seamless experience. Its modern, engineered wood design blends effortlessly with any decor. With clear instructions and labeled parts, assembly is quick and hassle-free. The Revac vacuum sealer bags offer a practical solution for keeping your food fresh and preserving nutrients. These pre-cut bags are compatible with various vacuum sealers, including popular brands Ziploc. Engineered to be thinner yet durable, they provide exceptional strength while reducing material usage. Ideal for food storage, sous vide cooking, and marinating, these bags help prevent freezer burn and extend the shelf life of meats, vegetables, and more. These bags, you can enjoy quality preservation without breaking the bank, making it easier to keep your meals fresh and ready to use. The Ol's Dyer Broom and Dustpan Combo Set is designed for effortless cleaning, whether indoors or outdoors. The long stainless steel handle allows you to sweep, making cleaning more comfortable and efficient. Featuring an upgraded 5-layer dual bristle technology, the broom combines firm and soft bristles for improved cleaning performance. It also includes a flexible rubber lip that ensures no dust is left behind under the dustpan. This space can be stored upright by clipping the broom to the dustpan handle. Ideal for homes, offices, kitchens, and garages, this durable broom and dustpan set makes a practical housewarming gift. Light therapy lamp. Designed to mimic the full spectrum of daylight, this lamp helps enhance focus, improve sleep, and elevate your mood. Choose from 3 color temperatures: warm white, neutral white, or cool white, along with adjustable brightness levels to suit your needs. It also features USB-A and USB-C charging of your devices, whether the lamp is on or off. Safe, UV-free, and flicker-free, this therapy lamp is perfect for home or office use. Plus, with a reliable warranty, it's a great addition to your daily routine. The Home Genie Durable Mesh Laundry Bags. Designed with ultra-soft mesh, these bags safeguard your garments from snagging and stretching during washing, keeping items like bras, baby clothes, and sweaters in pristine condition. The oversized silicone zipper ensures that everything stays securely inside while remaining quiet in the machine. Reusable and tear-resistant bags are perfect for multiple laundry cycles. Available in various sizes, they help prevent tangling, pulling, and stretching, ensuring your clothes come out clean and ready to wear. Ideal for home, travel, and more. The U-Boor End Table with Charging Station is a stylish and practical addition to any small space. This compact side table features smart LED lights with 256 color options and music sync, controlled via an app or remote, to create the perfect ambiance. Made with premium wood and a metal frame, it's sturdy and durable. This versatile end table fits perfectly in bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, and more. The Zellimon Sleeper Sofa Bed is a versatile piece that seamlessly transforms from a cozy sofa to a comfortable bed with a simple pull. Ideal for small spaces like apartments, living rooms, or offices. It features a durable metal and wood frame with a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. The sofa is upholstered in soft, skin-friendly chenille fabric, which is absorbent, dust-proof, and wrinkle-resistant, making it perfect for families with children or pets. Comfortable foam cushions, supportive back pillows, and ample storage space for blankets or essentials. This sofa combines style, comfort, and practicality.